Welcome back to our channel, where we help you stay fit, healthy, and achieve your weight loss goals. Today's topic is all about belly fat, something many of us struggle with. But don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we're going to discuss the 10 foods that can help you lose belly fat. We'll also explain what belly fat is and the relationship between cortisol and belly fat. First things, let's define belly fat. It's also known as visceral fat. To better understand this, let me show you this book Cyber, The Civil Collection by Frank Nitter. It has a chapter that talks about cortisol, a stress hormone. When cortisol levels are high, it turns protein into sugar, which your liver then converts into sugar. This causes an increase in insulin, which can lead to diabetes. This is why many people who have high cortisol are not eating sugar, but are still struggling with belly fat. Belly fat typically occurs after the liver becomes fatty, causing an overflow into other areas around the body. That being said, the top foods that will help you get rid of belly fat are those that address either lowering insulin, lowering cortisol, or helping you with a fatty liver. The first food on the list is eggs. They contain virtually no carbohydrates and are the best source of protein. Eating low-carb protein triggers glucagon, the opposing hormone to insulin that helps burn fat. Eggs are also loaded with lecithin and choline, which help break down fat in your liver. The second food is salmon. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce insulin and cortisol levels, and it has virtually no carbohydrates. The third food on our list is cod liver oil. It's super high in omega-3 fatty acids, and helps make insulin more sensitive, and reduce cortisol. Fourth on our list is sauerkraut, which can increase liver function, help reduce fat on your liver, and is an excellent anti-inflammatory. The fiber in sauerkraut also feeds the microbiome, which turns into a type of fat similar to a ketone. Number 5 on the list is avocados, which are rich in monounsaturated fats, dietary fiber, and potassium. They help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and help keep you full. The sixth food on the list is kimchi, which is a fermented Korean dish that's loaded with probiotics. The probiotics in kimchi help support your gut microbiome, which is essential for weight loss. Seventh on our list is broccoli, which is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber helps keep you full and reduces inflammation, which can contribute to belly fat. The eighth food on the list is coconut oil. It is high in medium-chain triglycerides, which help increase metabolism and burn belly fat. Ninth on our list is walnuts. They are rich in polyunsaturated fats and help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and help keep you full. Last but not least, number 10 on our list is dark chocolate, which is rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These compounds can help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower cortisol levels. So that's it for our list of 10 foods that can help you lose belly fat. We hope that this video has been informative and useful. If you have any other tips or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.